Hey you! Let me show you how to use reverse power sharing function on this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. Let's open settings first. And here we need to search for the device care tab. Here it is. And then choose the battery. And if we scroll a bit more, you'll see the wireless power sharing tab. And before enabling it, just set the battery limit. But be aware that you cannot set the battery limit higher than your current battery percentage. For example, I have now 79%, so I cannot choose 80 or 85 or 90, for example. As you can see, it not allows me to choose this battery limit. So let's switch to 60. And now we can enable this function just by tapping on this switcher. After this, you need to take another device and just place it at the back part of your Galaxy Z Flip 6. And here it is, it starts charging immediately. You can also see the information that it charges wirelessly. Right here on the bottom of the screen, wireless charging 66%. And that's it! Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.